Ciao Tesla people, I'm at Gole Saggitario and I'm going to get some water here. The water is probably the best water ever. I know this place from when I was little. My grandparents are from here. We are in Anversa and these are the Gole di Saggitario. They go to Scanno, the lake, and Frattura and Villalago, and the dam. There is a dam up there, and also where I saw the deers, not the one that across the road, but they have some place where in Villalago where they have a herd of deers that decided to camp there forever. So we are going there. We'll see if we catch the deers or something else. We'll see. Let me grab the water here. Okay. And come with me doing the ride. There's a time lapse going on, and this is the location. Up there are some wind power. They're not moving. There is not much wind, and this is the location. It's a canyon. Car up there. Fantastic place. Up there is Castrovalva. One day I'll go there too. And that's it. So I'll see you in a bit. home from a short road trip to Villalago. Villalago is the town just before the Scanno lake, and it was first time that I stopped there. It was nice. I took some videos with the big camera, so I'll see how they came. And this town is nice because they're in the middle of the valley, and they have a herd of deers. They're staying there. I didn't see this time. And then also some time ago they had a bear with 3 cubs. And I think unfortunately the mother got killed by someone on the other side of the mountain, unfortunately. So it was nice to have those animals around there. I'll go back other times for sure, because it's very nice that you can see the mountain from the left and the right. So anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.